with this one, look right into here. You can see where that problem is. So now we're going to get this foot trimmed up, and you'll see how they're different on the inside. Welcome back to Nate the Hoof Guy. You'll notice there is some heel horn erosion with this one as well. However, it is not the cause of the problem that we're about to treat. I don't know if you noticed as I removed that last piece, but this whole section moved there. That, along with this debris packed up behind there, tells me it's loose, so I'm going to try to remove this all right now. No, my knife's not dull. I'm trying to work it up in behind this loose horn carefully, trying to cut this away so I don't get into that lesion that's right underneath it. So unlike the last one, this is actually pressure related. This is what's known as a sole ulcer, and its location is in that typical sole ulcer site. The reason it's called the typical sole ulcer site is because this is where the corium is most constricted from that pedal bone movement inside that claw. So oftentimes, this is where we're going to find it. Now, if you look real close, you'll see that that protrusion is working its way right through that hoof horn. So I have to work my way carefully around that, trimming all those little loose edges where that protrusion is touching. Otherwise, if we don't do that, it's going to have a hard time healing up. Now we can go back in and tackle this area. Once again, all these little flaps that are caught around that need to come away. So kind of work my knife in behind, kind of tease it up in behind that. It's not always a nice, clearly defined area, so I kind of work my knife in a little ways, check, see where I'm going, and then I can remove a chunk. Do that until we can kind of get all the way around that, just slowly working our way. We don't want to disturb that area if we can help it. Sometimes it's just something that's going to happen because, once again, that corium is actually protruding up through that sole, so it's tricky to take out of there, but with a little bit of patience, you can usually get that free. Once it's free, then we can clean all the way around that. And this one is actually going to scrub almost right off. A lot of that is already loose, the actual ulceration itself. We just, with some gentle scrubbing, it's going to come away. Well, you can see that area actually trimmed out quite nicely. You'll notice as I scrub this area, about half of that is actually just going to scrub free just from a gentle swab with that cotton there. We'll get that swabbed away, and then we can get that salicylic acid wrap right where it needs to be.